Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create this princess look in Dress to Impress for free without VIP. Okay, the outfit will look like this guys, and then I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and then you're going to color it brown. And for this hairstyle you can choose the only bangs. Okay, and the next one you're going to go to the culture clothing area and choose this skirt, and we're going to color it with this color code for all the selection. Okay, you can copy this color code, and then the next one we're going to choose this dress but only sleeves. Okay, and then I'm going to color it with the same pink color, but for the second selection you can color it with this white color. Okay, now let's move to the next area. Okay, I'm going to wear this top and we're going to color it with the same pink color. And then I'm going to go to the petal update area, and then I'm going to choose this top and color it the same for all the selection. Okay, now I'm going to wear this flower and I'm going to color it white for the first selection, and choose this butterfly to be the accessories, and I'm just going to color it pink for the butterfly. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to put shoe or heel. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that for the color, and then I'm going to go to the necklaces and earring area, and wait, I'm going to choose this earring. Okay guys, and this is the final result. If you want to put more accessory, just put it. For example, you can put this bracelet just to add more detail. Okay, and then you can color it with the pink color so it can match your outfit. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this princess look in Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.